Hi everyone, today I'm doing the third in the Margarete Miller challenge, and I've got to use a bug or an insect. I'm using some butterflies. I don't really have any other bugs. I'm using a key, so I've got a metal key. It's one of the Tim Holtz metal keys with the word memory on it. A sequence of numbers, and I'm getting that off this piece of tissue paper, which is one of the Tim Holtz tissue wrap postal, that one. And also ink, whatever that means to you. So I've decided I'm going to use my oxide spray ink, and I've got ground espresso, shabby shutters and tattered rose, and I'm going to use those three. And the bonus is black and white, and I've got black and white and also a quote, so I just need to find a quote, and I'll do that toward the end. I don't seem to have much luck when I spray these distress oxides, so I'm just going to put some out on the page and hit it with some water. I don't have time to wait for it to dry, or I don't want to dry it off, so I'll just dab it, see what happens. I want to get going on the rest, that's why I'm being quite lazy. And I need to make sure that I have my sequence of numbers, and that I can put that somewhere on the page. I'm rolling it so I can cut it a lot easier, because I find that this gets a bit out of hand when you're trying to cut big wide things like this. I normally use matte media to put tissue paper on, but this is really thick. It's more like a grease-proof paper than a tissue paper, so that's why I'm not using matte medium. I think I'm just going to put some butterflies sort of exploding up to the edge of the page here. I'm putting one of the spinners onto that butterfly, and I've got these other little things that I'll put onto some of the others. I'm not sure even what these are. They're like little tiny washers. And I have no idea where I got them from, but they're in my craft supplies. I can't quite get it all in camera. So there it is. There's my page. And this one is the 2020 C03. I hope you enjoyed that and that you're enjoying your art journaling. This is Deborah. Cheers.